In this video I want to show you how you can find out exactly what version of Windows you are running. Okay, let's get into this. So the first way is go to settings, so you click on the start button, up to settings. You can also press Windows and the I key, go to system, scroll down, click on about, and then scroll down here to the bottom. It tells you about Windows 11 Pro. This is the 24H2 version, second half of 2024, and also the exact build number is there. Another way to do it is to start up a command prompt and type in system info, and this will gather some information and list a whole bunch of stuff on your screen. And if you go right to the top of that list, you will find the OS name, so Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, and then also the OS version number, telling you exactly what build it is. And the third and final way is that if you press Windows and R for run a command and then type in winver, you can run that program, which brings up Windows version, about Windows, and here we can see again Microsoft Windows 11 version 24H2 and then the OS build number. You can also run that from a PowerShell prompt, so you just type in winver and that same program comes up. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.